Hey, miss, so what's up? Everything good with us? Are you okay? Lucrecia?
Seem like an upgrade to that one.
También?
That's what I want.
That's all?
Upgrade for me, I think.
All of that stuff?
Tú eres medio crazy.
Yeah.
Don't call corporate to nobody else. You habla corporate FA? You habla FA? Oh, get him in trouble?
No,
Yeah,
tú
see?
tienes problema conmigo.
Two-Face.
Tú tienes problema conmigo.
How you say two-face in Spanish?
Two-Face.
Two-face, cool.
Two-Face.
Two.
Two-Face.
Dos fácil.
Tú hablas.
No, fácil is easy. Some
Two-Face.
shit. Yo, listen, y'all, I'm sorry if I'm messing up Spanish words and everything. True, I am the handsome hustler. I should be knowing different languages, but I do know the language of smash and scrape.
La lengua
Y'all
you.
females out there, y'all know what that means, right? You dig?
Stupid you.
It's-
Loco you.
Me.
Tú loco. Tú
Tu loca. Tu estúpida.
Tú eres
Get it toothy fixed. Look at that.
Tú
Y'all
eres un estúpido.
y'all see that? Y'all see that, right, y'all? Y'all see that? That one tooth is missing? Y'all see that? Look at us. Now she don't want to smile. She got nice long hair, though.
Mama.
I like your hair, man. Yo,
Bueno,
your hair's
bueno,
nice.
yeah.
Bueno, your hair's nice. It's long.
Ay, tú.
Well, take it off.
No.
Shake it out, baby. Shake it out like you just came out the water. You spent having sex.
No, tú loco, coño.
Come on, man. You don't want to give us an exclusive interview? Okay, how long you been in America and you don't know English? That shit was hot, huh? Don't throw that shit on me. I'll fuck you up in here. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, so because you don't know English and you've been in America like 9 years, you just give everybody that same dumbass look. How long you been in America?
En América.
Americana. Tú?
Yo sí.
You don't know English, man. How long you been here?
Yo americana.
No, I'm Americano. Yeah. Americano. See, I understand the difference between the I and the I and the O's and U's.
Americana.
All right.
Residente yo aquí en Estados Unidos.
Oh, yeah?
20 años.
20 years.
Yeah.
And you don't know English. ¿Tú no hablas inglés?
No hay escuela, no.
You see? Handsome Hustler by Handsome Hustler TV. This proves right here that there is a job out there for you and your man and your girl or whoever. She don't even know English. She been in America for 20 years. And she's a janitor. Fuck it. She has a job. She's doing something with her life, I guess. She can be doing so much more if she understood English. You know what I'm saying? She can be doing so much more with her life if she understood English. She has no high school diploma, no GED. You got GED? Nah. No GED, no college, anything. All she know how to do,
No college, no degree.
I know, she can clean toilets, she can vacuum. She's good at all of that. Bueno. Cleaning toilets, cleaning the tables, the floors, not this floor, a little bit dirty. Rugs, weight benches, everything.
And she could cook.
And she can cook. And from what I heard, she gives bueno cabeza. Listen, I'ma holla at y'all. Handsome Hustler for Handsome Hustler TV. That's my man Maine.
Nope.
That's my boy Maine. You know what it is.
I'm
Okay,
starting.
want to give a shout out, K?
Starting next week, I'm gonna start my version.
That's my boy K right there. You know what it is. Yo, there's a Handsome Hustler for Handsome Hustler TV. Live on location. Y'all know what I do, One.